The African diaspora represents $1.6 trillion in spending power, yet this massive economy operates within a structural vacuum. It has no purpose-built digital infrastructure designed to keep that capital within the community. Small businesses currently navigate this space using a fragmented toolset. They rely on static directories for discovery, unaligned external networks for supplies, and enterprise platforms for CRM that are financially out of reach for most local owners. These tools do not integrate, creating economic leakage. Instead of multiplying through community circulation, capital escapes the ecosystem immediately to pay for outside services and software. This diagram traces a single dollar. It enters a local business, but because that business lacks an integrated supply chain, the money hits a gap in the pipeline and falls out of the community ecosystem after just one transaction. The primary competitor here is this entrenched status quo. This fragmented environment cost communities billions in lost economic velocity every year. Securing a $1.6 trillion economy requires engineering a completely closed-loop digital infrastructure built directly from the ground up. After analyzing 30 top platforms, from Amazon to specialized AI firms, researchers found that none possess the full stack required to serve this market. 1325.ai was built as a one-of-one economic operating system, integrating an entire 8-pillar architecture into a single environment. This system places strategic seals over the specific gaps where community wealth traditionally leaks out. The first seal is Kayla, an agentic AI workforce designed to handle the operational heavy lifting for small businesses. Kayla provides autonomous digital employees that handle booking, marketing, and reviews. For a small business, these agents replace $3,000 to $5,000 a month in manual labor costs, keeping that capital in the business's pocket. By providing enterprise-grade automation at an accessible price point, the platform plugs the labor cost leak that prevents local businesses from scaling. A second major leak occurs in the B2B supply chain. Businesses often buy supplies from external, unaligned vendors simply because they lack a way to find suppliers within their own community. 1325.ai uses a patent-pending B2B matching algorithm to intercept these transactions. It identifies internal suppliers and reroutes the spending, forcing capital to circulate within the ecosystem. To monitor this internal flow, the system utilizes the Community Money Activity Ledger, the CMAL protocol. This economic graph shows the CMAL protocol tracking the velocity and multiplication of dollars between consumers and B2B suppliers in real time. This data is protected by a proprietary, patent-protected geospatial fraud detection system, verifying every business to ensure only legitimate entities participate. The CMAL protocol provides a precise, proprietary data asset that proves economic sovereignty can be measured and tracked. This creates a seamless economic cycle. A user finds a verified business, the Kayla AI agent handles the engagement, loyalty rewards drive repeat visits, and the business sources its supplies internally, all tracked by the ledger. Every interaction reinforces the others. This creates data network effects that make the system more intelligent and harder to leave with every transaction. Replicating this infrastructure would require a competitor to simultaneously build an AI workforce, a B2B matching engine, and a proprietary circulation ledger. This technical complexity creates a barrier to entry estimated at $15 to $20 million and 4 years of development. Even with that capital, a competitor would have to navigate 27 distinct patent claims. 1325. AI pairs this legal protection with a mission-driven architecture that establishes the cultural alignment horizontal platforms cannot replicate. The convergence of mature AI, increasing regulatory focus on supplier diversity, and the demand for community reinvestment makes this the specific moment for adoption. The window to build the foundation for this economic revolution is open now. 1325. AI is the patent-protected digital infrastructure required to permanently secure a $1.6 trillion economy.